Hey there, so here is MoneyGram app, and yeah, here is just a quick overview how it looks like. Um, yeah, this is one of the best apps to send transfer money. You can super easily create an account. Yeah, just enter your email, password, phone number. Then you will need to verify your identity. I think it's at some point to be able to actually successfully send a transfer. So these are the documents which are accepted, and then yeah, you can just scan it like with your camera like that. So either U.S. driver's license, state ID, passport, U.S. residence permit, green card, and something like that. And then yeah, here you can also have some overview, so like which you can also use even with before creating an account in this app, just to calculate the rates of exchange if you actually need to use this app, or if it's cheap for you. So for example, okay, I want to send like $1,000, and then I want to change the country, so I want to send $1,000 to, like, I don't know, Canada or UK. And then yeah, then the person will receive like 825 pounds, and then you just wait a bit, and then you have all of these different transaction methods, so you can change payment method. Debit card to direct bank account seems to be the cheapest, and then you can just customize debit card deposit. It's also kind of cheap. And then in the bottom you can see breakdown of total cost and specifically your fees. And then you can see here bank account can be from 0 to 4 business days, direct card deposit can be few hours, cash pickup can be a few minutes, but then you have $15 fee. Then you can select online bank transfer, also available in few hours, but then it's like $15 fee, or cash at location, fees vary. So it's kind of like a combination of TransferWise app or Western Union, and MoneyGram has a lot of like like physical locations in many countries. So it's kind of like one of the alternatives to Western Union apps. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then you can just cancel that. Then you see here that you can actually invite friends if you have invitation code or friends invited you. Then yeah, you can have this invitation code, and then yeah, you can just invite friends, or feel free to use my code as well. So if you just try out to use the app, just earn this enter this code, and then you will have some zero fee transfers. For the few transfers you need to I don't know, research more what exactly the terms are, like how many transfers are you getting, all of that. Then you can get plus rewards, and then if you just sign up for this rewards program, you can also get some nice perks. Track and receive, also cool feature, so you can just enter like a reference number of your transfer, your last name, and then you just set up your, are you sending or receiving, and then you can just easily track your transfer. And then here you can manage and see locations on the map. Just give a location to the map and instantly see all of the like physical stores near you. And then also you can instantly pay bills for some organization. You can just enter like receive code, like 4-digit code. I'm just entering anything here. So for example, and then you can just basically enter the amount here. Like for example, I want to send $100. And then you see some descriptions here. Payments received after 11:59 p.m. CS Central Time, generally credited the next business day. Payments generally post within 2 to 3 business days. And then you can see payment method, either credit, debit card, cash at location, so different fees. Yeah, so it's pretty convenient. This is the main functionality of the app. It's pretty cool, very easy to use, very like kind of minimalistic design. You can figure it all out. Then here you also have live chat. You can instantly contact support, either live chat or you can submit an email ticket. Then you can just tap profile deletion, and then you can just instantly delete your account from here just by submitting the form. So yeah, something around that. Um, so yeah, that's basically the idea. Uh, Hope that is helpful.